National Association of Private School Teachers, NAPS, which serves as the umbrella body and the voice of the private school teachers in the country, would like to call on the federal government, state government, and other good-spirited individuals to urgently come to the aid of private school teachers who are presently passing through excruciating pains and sufferings as a result of the closure of schools arising from the COVID-19 pandemic. We appreciate the effort of both the federal government and the various state governments in the bid to curb the spread of the novel coronavirus in the country. Recall that before the lockdown announced by the President in the first broadcast to the nation on Sunday, 29th March 2020, private and public schools in the country had since been closed. Ever since that closure, our members across Nigeria have not been paid their monthly salaries because the schools are closed. NAPS at the national and state level has decided to engage the federal government and state government respectively on how to assist the private school teachers across the country with monthly stipends, while urging the government to help by quickly putting in place safety protocols for speedy resumption of schools. They absorb a reasonable size of the population of Nigerian youth, since government alone cannot offer employment to all our citizens. The condition of service in the private school sector are not at all together fantastic. Private school teachers in Nigeria work under some unfair conditions, and top on it is underpayment. The injustice in the sector has not deterred teachers from putting in their best in teaching and educating Nigerian children in their classrooms across the states of the Federation. It is an open secret that private school teachers in Nigeria do not receive government subventions. They rely solely on tuition payments. More often than not, salaries are not paid as at when due. Hence, apart from underpayment, private school teachers in Nigeria also have to contend with the issue of delay in monthly payment of their entitlement. Some of the schools do not pay teachers for the period school observe holidays. It is as bad as that. Despite the outstanding contributions of private school teachers in Nigeria to the nation's educational sector, they work without gratuity, complete absence of job security, none or irregular remittances of pension deductions, and they are exposed to all sorts of unfavorable conditions of service. This pool of Nigerian workforce is yet to receive the due attention they deserve as professionals in the educational sector. Sadly, the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic has greatly compounded the plight of the private school teachers in Nigeria across the states. A good number of private school teachers were last paid in February 2020. The closure of schools for the whole of third term of 2019-2020 academic session means no tuition payments, and obviously salaries for the months running will not be paid also. Private school teachers are facing difficult times currently with no hope in sight. With no hope in sight, as of when the lockdown on schools will be lifted. The states and the federal government have not considered private school teachers as a group that deserves palliatives, whereas they are in the group of vulnerable Nigerians. Things are getting really bad and unbearable with private school teachers across the states of the Federation. In reality, over 100,000 families of private school teachers, most especially where both husband and wife are private school teachers, they are unable to feed their families and cannot pay their basic bills as a result of COVID-19 lockdown. With the daily reports of rising cases of COVID-19 infections, the resumption of schools is a thing for the future. Consequently, we kindly appeal to you, the media, to use your good office to buy us some favor from the government for the provision of immediate palliative and a monthly stipend for the time being. This support will go a long way to save our lives, our jobs, and the future of millions of Nigerian children in private schools. The National Association of Private School Teachers is a labor organization made up of members of private school teachers in Nigeria. The body has a reliable database and network to reach out to our members as soon as possible. We are willing to provide the collated data of our members and their account details to help make the financial support directly to them possible, to save their families from starvation to death. Many are dying of hunger as we speak, while many have turned beggars. Our special request is, 1, government should support private school teachers. NAPS, as a responsible and responsive association, has shown its readiness to work with government to support private school teachers in Nigeria. After several extensions of the lockdown, it became obvious to us that school will not be resuming anytime soon. We decided to write to the Federal Ministry through the Minister of Education and the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs to ask for palliative and monthly support for our members, pending when the school will be allowed to open. We commend the Ministry of Education for engaging with us based on our request, and eventually asking for the account details of our affected staff. We have done the needful, and we have submitted the list of 10,300 private school teachers with their account details to the Ministry of Education as first batch of those we have been able to screen, having submitted their evidence that they are private school teachers, identity card, letter of employment, and Teachers Registration Council certificate. We are also soliciting the prompt response from the government so that our members can smile again. We want it treated with the urgency it deserves. So, the next is the federal government. Okay, 2.3 trillion stimulus package for private schools and other businesses. NAPS has decided to engage with the federal government through the Economic Sustainability Committee on the need to support private school teachers to cushion the effect of COVID-19 pandemic on us. NAPS is equally appreciative, okay, of the single-digit loan approved by the federal government through the CBN 50 billion naira COVID-19 intervention fund. But most school owners will not like to access loans to pay salaries. Hence, the reason many private school teachers are still suffering. Okay, so that brings us to government. We need government support of private school teachers directly. We need government to support private school teachers directly. We are looking at various ways private school teachers can be supported to enable us to survive during this very difficult time. We want private school teachers to be provided with interest-free loans to enable us to survive and pay our bills for now, with a guarantee to pay back as soon as school resumes in a gradual manner. All private school teachers deserve to be shown care at a time like this to help us survive the agonizing situation we are passing through. If nothing is done quickly to address the problem at hand, skilled teachers with experience might be forced to dump the profession, which will in turn affect the quality of education in Nigeria. Government should make available an annual support fund for private school teachers to help the growth and development of teachers. Private school teachers deserve to be provided with affordable, housing program, pension and gratuity, interest-free loan, and other welfare programs to uplift the morale of the teachers. Even though we are in the private sector, we render a public service, and government must treat us based on what we do to shape the future of Nigerian children. Government cannot and should not abandon us to our fate. At a time like this, we urgently need help from all Nigerians. In conclusion, once again, NAFS appreciates the effort of the federal government to ensure the safe first reopening of schools and for the release of the 2.3 trillion stimulus package to support teacher salary and CBN 50 billion single-digit intervention loan to cushion the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic.